like you're wore out. What? He won a finish. You did it. Congratulations.
It's been coming all year, you know. We got the second there. I knew the car was good. We knew it was a little bit softer tire there. I guess everybody was. And I just stayed right around the bottom. He kind of cleaned up down there for me. And Scott, I think he took the two to go and started moving down here. And his car wouldn't get off the corner like mine was off over there. So I just got up. He messed up down here one time. That's all it took.
Yeah, he swung out wide there. I was on the PA system about 7 ago thinking, well, does he want it yellow or does he want this thing to stay green? What was going through your mind?
No, I didn't need no yellow. You know, I could get the young man Ziegler right there on that fire, and you know, once I got the second there, I just kind of just rode there and slammed the tires the last 5 laps, and
you're smart
there at the end. But
he didn't waste his time. That's why he won
all year. We've had some terrible lows. Maybe tonight, you told me today, we can turn it around.
Yes, sir.
It finally got turned around. And you know, to come back here on what is it, Wednesday, and see this kind of a crowd, man, they just seem one hell of a race.
Yeah, they you got a good run in the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, but it seemed like off the 2 and 4 he got you a little bit, but you kept working that bottom. I know back towards the end of the heat race, you almost got in the wall down there in 3 and 4, but you got a little close.
Yeah, it's getting area. You know, the track's pretty fast in the heat races, but you know, I changed the line down here, just get in a little bit lower, just to try to drag on the left side tire across that moisture, and you know, it just turned out for me right there. That's all there is. I mean, you know, 5 to go, he definitely had a better car, but he moved down there that one time and got that black, and you know, I just got to it. That's all it was there, and you know, just went with it. You know, this is for all my crew guys that listen all year. Got Trey here, my brother, Mike Fair, a friend of mine, and all the guys back in the shop.
Tell you what a year you've had some really good runs. You've had some stuff that you don't normally break is broken.
It is. I mean, we've tore transmissions, rear ends, everything you can name, and you know, somewhere had to turn around. We've had many top twos here, you know, all year, matter of fact, and I knew we was knocking on the door, and finally we finally got one.
Tell you, over a year and a half now, Kevin Rumley's been on board, and I tell you, long ones are winning all over the country.
Yeah, I mean, they're picking up momentum for sure, and you know, they're back on big time in the shop. You know, they're working their butts off 5 or 6 days a week right now, and you know, everybody involved. Ziegler had a real good car tonight, and Benedict, he had trouble, and you know, Davenport's running good. Everybody, you know, is Rambo and all them guys. So I mean, we're turning the corner, and we're knocking on the door every week.
You have a lot of wins this year. How frustrating has it been that you finally get this monkey off of that? You see all these other guys winning. You've had the little piddly deals breaking. Finally, you have monkey off your back.
Well, I mean, it's been a lot. You see me walking into this. I mean, you just down and out, you know, with this breaking, that breaking. You know, Smoky Mountain, we run a second, had a really good car, and you know, you break a flywheel piece, and I mean, that's just something that don't happen. But I mean, anything happened has happened to me this year, so thank God we turned the corner.
Just thank all your great sponsors on the 44 car.
Well, definitely Lucas Oil, Nav TV, Sunoco, Hoosier.
Good job, Jimmy.
Longhorn Chassis. I mean, the list goes on and on. Plymouth Motors. I mean, everybody involved. And I mean, they stuck with me through all this hard time, and here we are.
I'm sure Bobby will be glad to get a phone call tonight instead of other Longhorn drivers calling in. The main man's going to be calling in tonight, right?
I'm sure so. He's in Dayton relaxing on the beach right now, but yeah, I'm sure he'll be calling tonight, and all the guys back at the shop.
I'll message him on Facebook.
Great job. We'll see you tomorrow night. Earl Pearson Jr. gets his You had a good battle back there, you and Steve and you and Eddie there for a while, and you finally the top 3 broke loose there, and you just said you tracked them down there, ran out of laps though at the end, but boy, that was a great finish, as you said.
Yeah, it was a good finish. Mike Race gives us a good car and gives good equipment up the hill to come out and perform for these guys every week, and you know, glad we put on short.
Yeah, what a great crowd here tonight too.
Awesome deal.
All right, Jimmy, we'll see you tomorrow night. Jimmy Owens. Scott. Man, the heartbreak of Smoky Mountain a few weeks ago, you're leading, dominating that, a cut tire, and tonight you got the lead from Ziegler and led it, and you thought you had this one in the bag.
Yeah, we were just trying to stay straight, you know, not thought we were maybe punishing our tires too much. And, apparently not, but you know, the set of build in the car. long as I kept it in the middle, it kept
His
some
tires
momentum,
was
it
wearing.
pretty good. And saw these guys on the bottom there.
His tires was wearing. That's why he
Tried to get down there, and the car did not, just didn't stick there. That's where I lost all my momentum. Got past.
Come on, Brian.
I tried to move up, do something. There was so many crumbs off the floor that just killed us for second place. So, just one of them nights that move on to the next one.
You know, this car has been super all year long, Scott, and I tell you, I know, we got 3 more nights here this week.
Yeah, absolutely. This car's really not around the top 3 since we built it. So, it's there's not a full draft, but, that was not close. And, we'll work on a little harder and a little better.
Thanks to all the great fans coming out tonight. Scott Lindquist. 07 is our 50-50 winner tonight. Again, 666-407.
Right here.